the Scholarship Expert Team, and today Alexis is preparing to speak at the Reagan Presidential Library in Simi Valley, California. We're super excited. We're getting ready to announce the scholarship blueprint, ready to just give you all the tools you need to graduate debt-free. But we want to give back to you. This is why we are creating the scholarship blueprint and everything that comes along with it. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let us know. We're super happy to just deliver the best products to you all. How you feeling?
Feel pretty good. Gotta hold it together and do the best I can.
Some rehearsals today. How did that go?
I think we're pretty good. I think we're all pretty much at the same level, just trying to work through it and do the best that we can. Getting some coaching from the speech coach and just make sure that we have the best delivery possible.
What were some of the main struggles for today?
Main struggles are make sure that I'm keeping my tempo, I'm not getting too nervous, I'm slowing down, not pacing.
Yeah. And how you been feeling for like the past 48 hours?
Tired. I want to go to sleep so bad.
Talk about some of those struggles.
So we were having a lot of flight issues. Our flight got delayed 14 hours and we didn't get to Simi Valley until 2 a.m. Going off not a lot of sleep, but that's okay because the adrenaline's keeping me going. Yep, so let's go see Air Force One.
Yep.
Hi everyone, we are in Simi Valley right now at the Reagan Library and I'm getting ready to present at the Reagan Leadership Summit. And in my speech, we are announcing the launch of the Scholarship Blueprint. I am super excited for you guys to get a copy of it. There's a course and an ebook and we offer payment plans. There's no excuses. This is a way for you to graduate college debt-free. So make sure to get your copy.
Today.
When I was asked to speak at the Reagan Library, I was extremely excited, but also so nervous because I never have done this before. And after I said yes, I really couldn't believe that I did say yes, just because I had never prepared for something like this before and I didn't know what to do. But I was also having some slight breakdowns and cried a little bit because I was so nervous about it. But it was definitely worth it and it helped build up my confidence a lot. Starting off, I was scared being in the center stage in front of everybody, but after I started speaking and getting used to being up there, I started to gain a lot of confidence and it just kind of flowed. As I was speaking and I was looking at my fiance Justin, it really helped gain confidence and make me feel comfortable being up there, and like what I was saying was important. And also just looking into the eyes of the people in the audience made me feel more confident. When it was over, I was super happy and just glad it was over, but also really proud of myself that I did it.
Figure out what can I do to make an impact. So that's how I began my program. So maybe it's in your own community, figuring out what the issues are and maybe try to strategize different ways that you can solve it.